everybody, welcome back. It's Jenny, and I hope you got your biscuits today. Yeah, I'm just now getting in from work, and I had to stop and get mine, and lucky me, they had some. But we've got a new 3-day sale that starts tomorrow, and you want to know what's going on there. So please like and share the video on your way in, because, well, sharing with your friends, they're going to love you for it because they're going to save tons of money. So just quickly share it on your Facebook newsfeed with a little notation that says please share. And that way everybody gets a chance to save all this money. Leave us a comment. Let the video play all the way to the end, please. All those things are so important to YouTube. So please do that for us. It doesn't cost you a thing, just a few seconds of your time. We really love and appreciate you for you doing that for us. And of course, if you're not a crazy friend yet, go ahead and subscribe. That way you won't miss a daily deal. Because we got deals every day and all kinds of different ways to save more money. Alright, everybody. Let's hop in and talk about this 3-day sale. Tomorrow, you've got 3 for $4 on your RC, Sunkist, 7-Up, A&W, Dr. Pepper, and Canada Dry, 2 liters. And then you've got buy one, get one free on your Betty Crocker cookies, which are the $3 cookies. Okay. And then buy 2, get one free on your mix and match boxes of candy, like the Junior Mix, the Hot Tamales, Mike and Ike, Sugar Babies. An opportunity to make your own candy bouquet. We also have the plates on sale for $4. They're really $4.95, so not that big of a deal. We got 10% off certain gift cards. Gift sets for $8. Buy one, get one 50% off on holiday writing needs. Stationery, I guess. Buy one, get one 50% off on Crayola. Those are any day deals right there. Okay. Let's find the rest of the 3-day sale. Right here, we got BOGO 50% off candles, BOGO 50% off home decor, holiday home decor, on buy one, get one free on holiday florals, 25% off all trees, 50% off holiday garland, tree skirts, stockings, ornaments, hats, or outdoor decor, 25% off holiday style boxed cards. So those are your 3-day sale deals. Not quite sure if these are included, but in case they are, let's have a look. 2 for $5 on the Harmel hash and the Dinty beef stew. Good things for your emergency cupboard. And buy one Clover Valley soup and get one of these oyster crackers for free. Yep, just one soup for $1, and then you get the $1.50 crackers. No, excuse me. Buy the $1.50 crackers and get a can of $1 soup for free. I thought that was unusual. So, there is your 3-day sale, guys. And tomorrow's daily deal is going to be 50% off the True Living 18-ounce solo cups. So those are your immediate sales and deals. So let's hop into your daily deal that you can do today and your 5 off 25 scenario. This is our daily deal for today, because we've got that buy 2, get 4 off on the all detergents again. And this is a no-brainer. It works on the $5 alls. And it's a coupon. And it will work with the 3 off 15. Okay? So, what you getting on this, and of course you can do the Purex too. There's a couple of different ways to do this deal. But we also have instant savings when you purchase 2 Dial products. Yeah. So let's have a look at how we can swing this deal and come out with such a low out of pocket. Alright, first deal, guys. You're going to pick up 2 of the Dial hydrating body wash spring water. Now you need to scan because not all of the dial is attaching to this 3 off coupon for the deal. So scan, 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 and make sure that you have this, the 3 off and the save $1 when you buy 2. And on your all detergent, you want to make sure you have both of these coupons clipped. Now, you can clip the earn. And the reason why I say this is normally the earn will not work if you're doing the DG store coupon for the per sale deal. But, who knows, one day it may glitch. But coupons always come first, so it doesn't really matter. Now with this, this deal is at $18. You only needed 15, but we're at 18. It's just more bang for your buck. You're going to get $7 off in coupons, $1 off in instant savings, and you're at $10 even out of pocket. Okay? For 2 all detergents, that is $10 normally, and 2 of the dial. So basically you're purchasing your all and you're getting your dial body wash for free. Winna, winna. Yes, it is. Alright, let's look at another way to do this deal. Now, let's say you just want to do all detergent. No pun intended. We're going to do the Purex big bottle. You've got a $2 off coupon on that. And then, of course, your all detergent. Your total is going to be $20. You're getting $9 off. So your out-of-pocket is $11. So basically, you're buying one and getting the other set for free. Yep, either you're buying the Purex and getting 2 alls for free. That sounds better, don't it? Instead of buying 2 alls and getting 1 Purex. So we're going to say, we're going to pay for the Purex and get the 2 alls for free. There you go. So another winner deal using that $3 store coupon. Now I wanted to take time to show you something else that will conflict with that coupon, but you could do in a separate transaction, okay? We have a second store coupon. It is buy one $10 Purex and get a Snuggle for free, okay? It is a store coupon. So we are going to pick up this. Now, even though the app is probably going to tell us that both will work if we spend enough money, it probably will not. Because some things glitch like this. I've not seen this one glitch like this. So we are going to get added to our deal, the Snuggle, because we already have the Purex. Okay. Deals that applied on the Purex and the Snuggle is buy one, get one free for the Snuggle, which it really didn't do the free, and the $2 off on the Purex. It split the difference, it looks like, on the Purex. And then the $4 off. Oh, well, you can see in the app it kicked the $3 back. It did kick the $3 back on the app even, okay. And this will be what happens at the register if you try to do this. It's going to give you one or the other. And since the other, I think, is the slightly better deal, the app's going to give you that. But usually at the register, you will get the least coupon, the one that is worth the least amount of money. So let's have a look at the final math of this, since the $3 is not applying. We are at $14 out of pocket. And now I think this is an awesome, awesome deal. Okay. You're going to get the large Purex, the Snuggle, and you're going to get the 2 alls. Yes, this is a winner-winner deal right here. This might be the better deal. So, for laundry. So let's see if we can do one more arrangement of this deal. Now this is a 5 off 25 scenario for Saturday using this deal. You're at $30. You've got $9 coming off of 2 of the Purex detergents with $2 off on one. And check, they may be Peelies. If there's Peelies, you're going to grab one of those $2 Peelies. And then you're going to do your 2 alls. You're at $30. You're going to get $14 off. So that's going to leave you spending $16 approximately on 2 alls detergents and 2 of the big Purex. So that is a definite winner chicken dinner deal there. Some giant savings. And here is another way to do this deal. Any day of the week, you're going to pick up the Dial body wash. Make sure everything is attaching. You're going to pick up the $5 all and a $12 all, because that $4 coupon works on both. So you're going to pick up a $5 and a $12. Now, if you want to do, which we will do, 2 of the $12 and have a look as well and see. You're at $21. You're getting $7 off. Your out-of-pocket is $14. And again, that's a winner deal. $14 for some body wash and a large all detergent and a small all detergent. And here is a deal picking up the 2 large alls and getting the $4 off and the $3. This is a 5 off 25 scenario because you are already up there. We're going to add the Mucinex cold and flu, or you could do the Airwicks, but the Mucinex comes out a little bit cheaper. And you're at $28.75 because we need that $3 over to cover that store coupon. And any day of the week, it's $18 and some change. Okay, any day of the week. If you do this on Saturday, it's going to be $13 and some change for 2 of the large alls and some Mucinex. So, not a bad deal. It's pretty much getting 1 of the alls and the Mucinex absolutely free. And again, another winner chicken dinner kind of deal. Last deal, guys. We're going to do all Dial. We're going to do 4 of the Dial body wash and 1 of the Dial hand soaps. We've got $16 in the body washes. That's $2 in instant savings coming off. And then we've got the Dial hand soap for $1.35. Now you're at $17.35, which we have to be at $17.35 because your $2 in instant savings is going to come off, and that's going to leave you $15.35, so your coupon will kick in. So your final out-of-pocket for this is $12.35. I think that's a winner deal. You've got 4 body washes and some hand soap, and you can incorporate this into any $25 scenario. Just remember, you have to go up to $28, $29, $30 because you have $2 in instant savings and $3 in a store coupon. So you'll have to go 5 over. So there you go. Love you bunches. Thank you for stopping back by. I hope you find all the deals that you need. And, well, you learn to adjust them to your needs. So blessings. I'll see you next video.